Coyote knows the key to great barbecue is solid cooking techniques. In front of me, I've got the 36-inch S-Series gas grill, and it comes equipped with 3 standard burners. These 3 standard burners will give you the power and the tools to do both direct and indirect cooking. You want to make sure that each of the burners, when lit, has a blue flame with no yellow tip at the end for efficiency, and you shouldn't hear an erratic sound. It should be smooth. Now, offset cooking or indirect cooking is very simple. It's a matter of turning a burner on in one location and having the food product in another. Where direct, as it sounds, is simply placing the food product directly over the heat. When does this apply? If you're cooking over a short period of time, let's say a chicken breast or a steak, your direct heat is going to serve you very well. You're going to throw the heat on, you're going to get that cooked, and you're going to get it turned and then off the grill. But let's say you have a pork roast, something like pork butt. You want to do pulled pork. It takes more time. If you were to put a pork roast over direct heat and expect to cook it for 3 hours to get that pull apart goodness, you will not have success. So what I would be inclined to do is to take your roast and to set it on one side of the barbecue, then set one of your standard burners on the temperature that you desire. That will give you the radiant heat you need to cook that big cut down, and indirect heat will work for you very effectively. Remember, direct heat and indirect heat is something you need to address before you begin, and think about any problems you may have had in the past. If you've had problems with flare-ups, overcooked food, that may mean that you need to use indirect cooking the next time that you barbecue. Remember, for this tip and for many more, go to coyoteoutdoor.com.